Okay, now let's take a look at how to import graphics into Adobe Flash. We've got a project here that we're working with that's going to be just a CD-ROM executable for a CD-ROM, and we want to bring in the background image here and some of these other image pieces. So let's take a look at how to do that. We're going to start with a blank canvas, and we're going to jump in to see the files that I want to bring in here. In every 15 minutes folder, and these are the files that I want to bring in. So we're going to start with the badge here and take a look at that, and we're going to open this up directly inside of Photoshop, and we want to prepare these images to import from Adobe Photoshop. So the first thing that we're going to look at here is taking a look at the image itself, and obviously this image has a lot of colors in it, but we do want this to have a transparent background so it imposes, it does not have any artifacts around the badge itself, and it lays nicely on top of our background. So we're going to choose the file size that we're going to choose for this is going to be a PNG file. So we're just going to File, Save for Web, and we're going to come down here and select PNG, and we've got PNG 8, we have PNG 24. We're going to take a look at PNG 8. We've got that. We're setting this up for 4UP. So here's the original here. Here's the PNG 8 graphic. And we're just going to kind of peruse through some of the algorithms here for saving the PNG 8 and see what does the best job. We've got about 9K here for size. So we want to drop that down. 9.00, that's pretty good there. So we're going to perceptual, seems to be about the smallest. We're going to drop the colors and see what about 8 colors look like. We lose a lot of coloring there. So we're going to drop that to 16 and see something that we would be comfortable with. 32 looks okay there. We're losing a bit of color, 64, bring it back a little bit. But we're about 6K, 7K. So 32 might work okay for this image. We've got a handful of colors there, so we're just going to save that out and go down to COH badge, save that to my desktop, save. Okay, we're good. And the next thing, we're going to go through the same process. I'm just going to do one last one here that we're going to take a look at. We're actually going to take a look at the title page. So we would just edit this, open this up inside of Photoshop, take a look at it. Since this is obviously a background, we could say with the multiple colors here, we could save this as a JPEG since we don't need to layer this over, transpose this over anything. So we'll just do a File, Save for Web, and we can easily go down to JPEG here, and we can save this at a high, medium, high quality. Let's do a fit screen here so we see the entire piece, and anywhere from low we start to lose some of that coloring, gets a little bit more compressed for it. So we're happy to go through high, something like that would be a good quality, and then we just save that out as DVD title. And once we've prepared our images inside of Photoshop, we want to go directly inside of Flash. We'll jump back into Flash, and we'll simply do a file import, and we will import to library because we want to keep these in our library here, and we're going to come up with our items that we want, and those items are going to be the COH badge, and we're going to have the background to work with. So we would just locate those items that we want, and I've got the COH badge. Let's go back into our projects here, and here we go. These are our images that we want. So we will select all of these, go to Open, and once we do, these will show up directly inside of our library. And all we have to do from this point is simply just drag and drop them onto our stage. Drag and drop here, goes directly onto our stage, and we've got the images that we need. It's directly onto our stage, and then we would drop the rest of our items, our badge here, we would drop the text PNG up here, and we would drop the ITT graphic in, and those are all set to go. And that's it.